Hey everyone, welcome back to Forthcoming Tech. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. This mid-range smartphone offers a blend of style, functionality, and connectivity. Let's explore all its features and see if it's the right phone for you. First off, let's talk colors. The Galaxy A55 5G comes in 4 vibrant options: awesome ice blue, lilac, lemon, and navy. These bold colors add a fun and modern twist to your daily tech. The design is sleek and refined. With a thickness of just 8.25 millimeters, it feels great in the hand. However, the camera lenses protrude an extra 2.15 millimeters, which means it wobbles a bit when laid flat. Despite this, the brushed aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and back give it a premium feel. The Galaxy A55 5G is built to withstand the elements with an IP67 rating, making it dust and water resistant. You can take it on all your adventures without worry. Unboxing the Galaxy A55 5G, you'll find the usual accessories. However, Samsung still uses a bit too much plastic in its packaging. We hope to see improvements in their sustainability efforts soon. On the connectivity side, the Galaxy A55 5G is well equipped. It features USB 2.0, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and an always-on display. Although it lacks the latest AI features, it supports OTG for external storage, ensuring you stay connected and versatile. The Galaxy A55 5G runs on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, offering a smooth and user-friendly experience. Samsung guarantees extended software support and timely updates, keeping your phone secure and up-to-date. With Wi-Fi 6 and comprehensive 5G Sub-6 support, you'll enjoy fast and reliable connectivity whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing the web. GPS accuracy is generally good, though it can be slightly off indoors. However, it performs well in urban settings, making it reliable for navigation and location-based services. Let's talk cameras. The front camera captures detailed selfies even with pixel binning, and the rear triple camera setup delivers solid performance. Some photos might appear over-sharpened, but overall, the camera is impressive for its class. Voice quality is excellent, thanks to effective noise cancellation. You might experience minor distortion in very noisy environments, but it's manageable. The phone supports dual SIM and eSIM, giving you plenty of communication options. For video recording, the Galaxy A55 5G offers UHD and HD resolutions with stabilization and HDR enhancements, ensuring your videos look smooth and vibrant. Battery life is another strong point. The Galaxy A55 5G can easily last a full day on a single charge, and with fast charging support, you'll be back up and running in no time. In terms of security, you have both a fingerprint sensor and face recognition for quick and secure access. Samsung's commitment to regular updates ensures your device stays protected and current. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G combines vibrant style with powerful functionality. It's an excellent mid-range option for those seeking a reliable and feature-packed smartphone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. See you in the next video. Today, we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. This phone combines a premium design with Samsung's signature features, but it's not without its flaws. Let's break down everything you need to know about this device. First off, let's talk design. The Galaxy A55 5G draws inspiration from the Galaxy S24 series and recent iPhones, featuring an aluminum frame and a glass back. This combination not only looks sleek but also feels robust in hand. The build quality is top-notch, giving you a premium feel every time you pick it up. However, no phone is perfect. The A55 5G comes with a few notable drawbacks. One of the main complaints is the camera system, which we'll dive into later. Additionally, the phone is preloaded with bloatware. Samsung continues to include a range of pre-installed apps, including both Samsung and Microsoft apps, along with some unwanted games like Candy Crush. On a brighter note, the A55 5G features a stunning AMOLED display. This screen offers vibrant colors and deep blacks, making media consumption a delight. Plus, the inclusion of Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front adds a layer of durability, protecting the screen from scratches and minor drops. Under the hood, the Galaxy A55 5G is powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset, paired with an AMD GPU. This setup delivers smooth real-world performance, whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing games. The phone handles multitasking with ease, thanks to its efficient processor and ample RAM. Battery life is another strong point of the A55 5G. It packs a 5000 mAh battery, which combined with the efficient chipset, offers impressive endurance. You can easily get over 9 hours of screen-on time with typical usage. However, one downside is the charging speed. The phone supports up to 25W charging, but it takes over 80 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100%. Moving on to the software, the Galaxy A55 5G runs on One UI 6.1 atop Android 14. Samsung has promised 4 major updates and 5 years of security patches, ensuring that your device stays up to date with the latest features and security improvements. One UI 6.1 is packed with features and customization options, making the user experience highly intuitive and user-friendly. Despite the solid software experience, the persistent inclusion of bloatware is a drawback. During the setup process, you're greeted with an unskippable recommended app screen. This can be frustrating for users who prefer a cleaner, more streamlined device right out of the box. Now, let's talk cameras. The A55 5G features a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro camera. In good lighting conditions, the main camera captures detailed shots with vibrant colors. However, colors can sometimes appear oversaturated, reminiscent of older Samsung phone cameras. The ultra-wide lens is great for capturing more of the scene, but it struggles with distortion at the edges. The 5MP macro camera is decent for close-up shots, though it's more of a fun addition than a must-have feature. Portrait mode, while generally good, isn't perfect. It occasionally struggles with depth estimation, leading to some blurry edges around the subject. This can be a bit disappointing if you're looking for those professional-looking portrait shots. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G offers a compelling mix of premium design and solid performance. While it has its drawbacks, such as bloatware and some camera inconsistencies, it still stands as a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. If you can look past these issues, you'll find a lot to love about this device. Thanks for watching our in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech reviews. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy A55 5G and if you have any questions. See you in the next one.